Hello children, welcome in class 8. I am your maths teacher and today we are going to read chapter 2 cubes and cube roots. In previous video already I have described cubes and in this video you have to read cube root. The cube root of a number x is that number whose cubes gives x. Okay, the cube root of a number x is that number whose cube gives x. We denote the cube root of x by this radical sign. This sign is known as radical sign. This sign is known as radical sign and this is index. Okay, so cube root of x denoted by this 3 as index and this sign is known as radical sign. So under radical we will write here number and cube root means 3. Okay. Now example, since 4 into 4 into 4 means cubes of 4 equals 64. So can we write it cube root of 64 means 4. It means this is reverse process of cubes. Now method of finding the cube root of a given number by factorization, and in square and square root already we know about prime factorization method and same method we will apply here. Now in first step express the given number as the product of primes. Primes means prime number means a number which has only two factors, one and itself. Okay. Step 2, make groups in triplets. Triplets means same factor is written 3 times with the sign of multiplication. Okay. Make groups in triplets of the same prime. Find the product of primes choosing one from each triplet and this product is required cube root of the given number. These are the steps, but here in example you can understand it very well. Now example 1, evaluate cube root of 2744. So in first step it is given, express the given number as the product of primes. So this is even number, that's why we will divide it by 2. Okay, and after dividing by 2 we will get 1372. Again it is divisible by 2. So by 2 686. Again by 2 we will get here 343 and it is divisible by, is it divisible by 3? No. How can we find any number is divisible by 3 or not? After adding the digits of the given number, means 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 is not a multiple of 3, that's why this number is not divisible by 3. So by 7, okay, 7 4 ja, 7 9 ja. Again by 7, it gives 7, 7 1 ja, 7. Okay, so by prime factorization we have 2744 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, and in next step we will make here triplet. Okay, so cube root of 2744, it means cube roots of first triplet 2 into 2 into 2 and second triplet 7 into 7 into 7. So one factor we have to take from each triplet. Okay, so 2 into 7. It means cube root of 2744 is 2 7 ja 14. Now next point is cube root of a negative perfect cube. Okay, so cube root of minus a to the power 3 must equal to minus a. Okay, here example, find the cube root of minus 5832. So this number is also even number, and children, one thing remember here I have not written minus sign. Okay, so at last we will use minus sign. So by 2 If we divide this number by 2, we will get 2916. Again by 2, 1458. Again by 2, we will get 729. By 3, it gives 243. Again by 3, we will get here 81. By 3, we will get 27. Again by 3, 3 9 ja. By 3, 3. And finally, we will get here 1. Okay. And this process will, how many times? Till at the end, if 1 we will get. Okay. So, prime factorization of 5832, it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is first triplet, this is second triplet, and this is third triplet. Okay. So, can we write it cube root of 5832? It means if we take one factor from each group, what will we get? 2 into 3 into 3. So this is 18. But here question is that we have to find cube root of minus 5832. So finally we will write here cube root of minus 5832 equal minus 18. At last we will use here minus sign. Okay. At the time of getting prime factorization, no need to use minus. Now third point is cube root of a rational number. A rational number is in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0. So how can we find the cube root of a divided by cube root of b? Here one example I have written. So cube root of minus 125 divided by 512. In this case, firstly we will find cube root of minus 125 and cube root of 512 separately. So cube root of minus 125 is minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, and cube root of 512 is cube root of 8 into 8 into 8, because 8 cube equals to 512. And from this triplet we will write here minus 5, and from that triplet we will write here 8. So cube root of minus 125 by 512, answer should be minus 5 by 8. Thank you. Have a nice day.